Alrighty, welcome back to Weenie Trades. In this video, I'm going to be giving a trading recap. I'm just going to be going over my trades, my thought process, and what I could have done better, entries, exits, and more, and how to kind of navigate a volatile day. So it was a really crazy day today. The SPY gapped down massively. It was a massive, fear and panic. Nothing but selling yesterday into the close, and today we're gapping down. Now, pre-market, I said that we're likely due for a pop first, and that if SPY rejects from 415, we could see some shorts. Well, SPY did exactly just that. SPY popped first thing in the morning and then rejected from 415. Where did 415 come from? It was just about a midpoint retracement from the pre-market, and it was a likely area that it would be tough to get above from where we were starting at pre-market. So SPY, big gap down. Whenever I see a big gap down, I think recovery mode. I place my stop loss on most of my swing trades if it gapped against me, just beneath the pre-market lows. That way, if it wants to rip, I can recover as much as I possibly can and not just have to unnecessarily stop out. So that was the SPY. We had a ton of crazy trades today. It was really fun. Tesla was really nice on the day. Actually, I'm just going to flip over to the left side now because that has my show trades enabled. But Tesla, nice, good bull move early in the morning. I was looking for the short squeeze because I was looking for the pop. Boom, go long Tesla right here on this beautiful flag break. Stop loss just underneath 607. Boom, we get this nice, good push up. Peel profits, peel profits, peel profits. And peel profits nearly at the high of the day. That was super fun. And so that was on the share side of things, 191. But I scalped Tesla with some puts. So as you can see, we had the kind of this flag break right here. I should have added right there, but you don't know the follow through is going to be that good, that high up. But right here, look, we have 620. We break down from 620. Now 620 is resistance. Boom, I go ahead and short Tesla right at about the rejection of 620 with the stop loss just above 621. Boom, we get a nice good move down. Lower low, I see a little bit of a hammer candle on the level 2. Boom, I take profits on that short trade. So round trip trades on Tesla for $500, half a grand. That's one of probably a top 10 day trade for me. Normally I'm in that kind of like $100, $200 dollar range, but Tesla was just on point today. So really good moves on Tesla. Nice clean breakouts. Need to add next time, but it is a little bit extended. So very happy with the trade. Would have liked to have held the short a little bit longer, but it's very, very choppy. I'm looking for some clean moves down, kind of like right here. This is the cleanest move down on Tesla. So nice, good move on Tesla. Let's talk about PLTR. PLTR, nice, good breakout on PLTR. We had a nice, good move up. Missed the initial part of the day, but then we started to form these lower highs and higher lows. We have a channel. We start to break out of the channel. I buy PLTR with the stop loss just underneath 1919. I add on PLTR. Peel profits, and PLTR eventually started to peel the rest of it off. Nice, good move. Earnings moves tend to have better follow through because it has that high volume and good news catalyst. I feel like I would not have been able to get as clean of moves on PLTR if PLTR was, not having an earnings today. So that was PLTR, really fun trade. Piton was also a good trade, but I got really chopped out in consolidation early in the day. So shorted Piton, 86.70. That was pretty good top tick, 180 shares short. And I'm just getting chopped out just barely. I was anticipating a stop out, and sometimes anticipating the stop loss can really just mess with your head and get you stopped out before you need to. But nonetheless, Piton was a nice, good secondary short trade right about over here as we started to reject at resistance and boom, covering near the lows. Piton net after all of those choppy stop outs, only $42, but that the P&L does not matter as much as the entries and exits. I'm just doing that because I get paid in dollars. I don't really get paid in percents. So that was Piton. Let's check out Roku. Roku broke my heart today. Roku kind of hurt a lot of my P&L today. I was trying to short Roku right over here. I was too early to the party. I thought that Roku going up 3.8% up in the morning was a little bit outrageous. So I shorted right in front of my resistance. Boom, stop out. Then I shorted again at resistance, but then I didn't get enough for my partial stop out. So 2 strikes. I should have probably been out, but the third time was the charm. Got short Roku right up here, shorted again, cover, short again, cover, short, cover. Net Roku, too much size in the beginning, minus $200 on Roku. And I'm glad I covered, right there, stopped out because Roku, nice good squeeze. The Roku short, I was late to the party. The Roku short was yesterday from the game plan at about 313. So that was Roku. Let's talk about Amazon. Amazon was a double stop out on the short side and the long side. So Amazon tried to short right over here, just barely wicked me out. I was looking for a better breakdown. I figured, it's probably going to pop those highs if it's already stopping short. And, Amazon, net, tried to go short right there, stop out. And then later, bought the dip. Once I bought the dip, I was looking for a higher high right over here. You expect Amazon to make a higher high, but we started to pinch, higher low, higher low, higher low. Broke the higher low trend. Boom, I sell my shares and stop out. Amazon is a whippy one today. Liquidity's not super good. Yeah, Amazon should probably come off my watch list. Not to mention, another put option trade where I saved myself about $3,000 to $4,000 by stopping out. Took the $179 hit on the chin, but Amazon, really choppy. Not the best day trading stock. More of just a investing stock for long term, even though tech is pretty weak right now. And lastly, I just want to talk about ELY, mostly because of its daily chart. Again, we're talking about earnings. Earnings tend to have outsized moves in certain areas, and because of that, I like to trade stocks that have earnings. We had Stratego call out Eli. Nice, good move. I'm looking to the left and saying, hey, we can pop all-time highs. Looks like it was a good report. We've got a good technical catalyst. We got a daily bull flag break over 3150. And, it's one of the stronger names on the day. So Eli, nice, good move. First off, I took a nice, good flag break right here. That had a little bit of volume, but then stopped out right underneath the lows. I had this consolidation right here. So tried to buy the flag break, failed, stopped out, minus $25. That was a little bit annoying, but later we got a nice, much better flag break. Entering in right here, 32.09, stop loss just underneath 32. So I've got a 9 penny stop loss. Boom, I peel some off at 1R, peel some off at 2R, peel some off at 2.2R, and just peeling profits along the way. So Eli was a really fun revenue trade today, plus $40 and plus a call option, plus another $20. So $60. Eli, stick to those names where you have those earnings catalysts, because that's where the volume, the liquidity, and the momentum can be really good. And just remember, on a volatile day, don't be scared, but also manage your position size. Don't overtrade. I overtraded a little bit today, I would say, but still, nonetheless, a good green day, 3R green day. The Roku and the Amazon were the annoying ones. Would have just loved to trade Tesla, but it is what it is. SPY, or looking forward on the SPY. If SPY can get above 415 and not just chop around like nothing, then it can probably see a retracement of the sell-off, probably back up to about 416, 418. But now that SPY is sold off this much, I wouldn't expect SPY to get past all-time highs for quite a while. It might take an extra few weeks now versus it was set to do it right at the end of the week. And so that kind of just resets the clock in terms of needing damage to recover. I'm not bearish yet, all out bearish yet. At least on the SPY, I'm a little bit more bearish on the Qs. But as far as I'm concerned, no crash yet. I'm more than willing to change my mind, and be sure to tune into Weenie Trades Live if you want to see if I change my mind or not. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.